All right, welcome back. I will get started on talking about the lab. What I did was I assigned you the lab project, and it's about basically analysis of different alternatives. There are 5 different alternatives. So this lab is going to be due in 2 weeks, but at the beginning of the lab. So you will have time to work on this lab in the next class. So this lab session and the next lab session, but the lab session following that, we will start a new project. Okay. So that's something to remember. And I did assign that lab for you guys, and then I can share it with you. And just if you're not on the class, I know that has been an issue, but I'll drop a link to the lab details on the chat, so you could go ahead and click on that link there, and it'll take you to the lab details. And I've told you who you're going to be working with. So if you go to, so there are actually 3 things that I have provided to you on your Canvas page. So if you go to your Canvas page, I'm going to go ahead and share the screen here. So if you look at the screen here, and I should probably make it a student view. So this is the first lab, economic analysis of alternatives. This is due on October the 13th. Still a couple of weeks to go. But there is that details that takes you to the Google Doc. And then there is an Excel worksheet that has some of the formulas worked out and so forth. And then there is a sample report and rubric that I've also provided to you. And rubric basically will tell you what I'm looking for in terms of what I'm looking for in terms of all the analysis and how you're going to be graded on that report. Okay, so follow that format when you're writing your report. And what I want you to do is maybe get together with your group member. I can create some rooms if that's something that you want to have those discussions. I can open up 6 different sort of rooms there. And if you have any questions, just hit me up on chat. I'll try to respond in chat if I think that this is of general value. But if there are questions that are sort of unique to your group, I can come into that room. So let me go ahead and stop the sharing and create breakout rooms. So I'm going to create the 6 breakout rooms for 6 groups. I'll let you guys choose the room based on who your group member is. And then you could group. I'm going to go. I just went ahead and opened all the rooms. So you can go ahead and join the rooms with your partner. So you can talk about it and work on it together. If you don't know who your partner is, I can show that to you real quick. So I'm going to go ahead and share the screen if you don't know who your partner is. So if you go into the lab submission tab, at least for me, if I go to people, because I'm as a student not in any group. So yeah, so you should be able to see. So this is the group 1, group 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Emily, you're not alone, because even if it seems that way here, I've already assigned you. So these are the group members. So Bryant and Dana, David and Catherine, Alexandra and Isabella, Joshua and Vipa, Abigail and Jason, and Emily and Colin. So this is your groups. So go ahead and get together with your group members. If you have any questions, and then as a group, both read through the assignment, look through the spreadsheets, and get started on it. I think the instructions are fairly clear, but if there are questions that come up, please let me know. I'll be happy to answer those. So join the breakout room with your group. So if you're group 1, then join the breakout room 1, and so on and so forth. If you have any questions, you can come back to the main room if you want to ask by voice, or you can just hit me up with a message. Yes,
I
go
have a
ahead.
question, Dr. Pandey.
Yes, Katie.
Do I just go into a breakout room with my partner, but my partner's in a different room? Oh, just kidding. Okay, I'm leaving. Bye.
Okay, all right, bye.